This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Leon McDaniel. Discover the potential of this charming home with great bones to be able to make it your own. Boasting a 1,200 square foot workshop with space for 4 cars, an attached 2-car garage, and an office with an exterior entrance, this property offers both functionality and flexibility. Enjoy large rooms, a vast screened porch, and a welcoming front porch. With a new roof in 2019 and 2 septic tanks, practicality meets peace of mind. Embrace the opportunity to craft your dream home in this versatile space. For more information, review the details below or contact Leon McDaniel at 321-480-0548.